Take two.
Hey, meal preppers, Paul coming at you here today. Another episode of Let's Meal Prep. I got Amy behind the camera. Again, another opportunity to empower you in the kitchen with simple and healthy recipes. We have got a couple of dishes here that I think are phenomenal. One took a little longer, so if you got some time and you feel like being a little fancy, because I like to be a little fancy, try it out. Or put the oven higher. I don't know. No, but starting over here, guys, we've got a great Italian dish here. This is spaghetti squash with kale and sun-dried tomato. We didn't
lots of garlic.
Yeah, I know, lots of garlic in this one. We steamed the spaghetti squash today, but if you roast it, you can roast it with the garlic. We ended up roasting the garlic with the kale and sun-dried tomato and then mixed it together. But if you roast the spaghetti squash in the oven, put the garlic with it, and it'll give it a nice flavor. The microwave obviously is a lot faster actually, so that you can get this done quickly. What I did is I marinated the chicken with Italian seasoning, lemon zest and juice, and olive oil, and I think that was it. Yeah. But it came out really good. So that's a great dish. I'm looking forward to that one.
We just
the chicken is good.
We opted to microwave and steam the squash instead of roast it because we already had a lot of stuff going on in the oven.
Oh my gosh, we had a lot.
It was like Thanksgiving, like when can this go in? And is it my turn yet?
Especially my fancy dish right here, guys. So this is Greek Veggies here. I found a recipe and I thought I'd try it out. But we got zucchini, I switched with red potatoes, some tomato, and some red pepper, red onion in there as well. But stack it up and season it with olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. And then you gotta make it in the oven for about 45 minutes.
An hour. We went over an hour.
Still didn't get the potatoes. So if you're gonna do this dish, just slice the potatoes a little thinner, as thin as you can.
Use a mandolin if you don't worry about
exactly. That's the
losing
only thing
fingers.
that took a while was potatoes. While that was roasting, we made feta and mint bison burgers. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste those because they're so good when they're cooking up.
If you can't or don't want to do bison, you can do beef or turkey or ground chicken, whatever.
Yep. And then it cooked a lot of veggies, so you got plenty of leftover right there. Then over here, this dish was pretty great. I was actually tasting this while Amy was out and about, but it's really good. We've got chicken sausage. So once you get this is butternut squash and Brussels, get those roasting in the oven. I actually beefed it up with some broccoli, because Brussels only goes so far. And while those are roasting, and you get your pasta going, while those are going, and when they're about done, go ahead and get your chicken sausage sauteed up with some butter and garlic. Makes a nice little butter garlic sauce to go all over the whole thing with some salt. And you've got a great dish here. And it's spread out throughout the whole thing. It's only 2 tablespoons of butter, so it's not bad. You could use 3 if you wanted to. And then, it's all mixed together. And this is a great looking fall dish right here. So, and like I said, I was picking at it while you were out.
Nice. Folding laundry.
I was picking at this too. I was eating some of the potatoes. This actually is a great flavor. I didn't pick at this one. I did when I was cooking it, but it's good. Guys, great dishes this week. Let us know what you like. And if you want to get fancy, take time with that one. Go for it. And then again, let us know what you want us to cook. We're always looking for new recipe suggestions, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Cool.
Bye-bye.
Take care.